My 97 International 9300. Just picked this thing up. Peterbilt's working, so I'm gonna drive this for a little bit while I got somebody driving the Peterbilt. So I got my GoPro out there on the front of the truck, and hopefully I don't lose it. Probably will. Just got this truck tuned, so hopefully it runs pretty good. Fired it up, it was pretty cold, 28 degrees today. Let's see if the GoPro falls off. stays on there. Well, I don't know, it might fall off. Especially with all that snow flying around about to hit. GoPro died, made it back intact, so it's on there still. Yeah, this is the truck. It said 97 International with some carpentry. Nice fancy armrest. So you know, truck driver's a carpenter on the side. And I got some factory parts put back in it. Not too bad. Needs a mattress. Then it's going to work. I'll get my Peterbilt back and get back in it and find a driver for this one. So, yep, should be good. I'm gonna put a set of rear ends in it. It's geared a little slow. A couple mud flap. I think we're gonna get some half fenders actually. And yeah, 391. Needs a pinion seal, but like I said, we're going to change the gears around. So, got 4 tires put on it the other day. Wet line, big wing. Gonna take that off. Got a couple of these, so we'll replace it. A couple things to do yet. I'd open the hood, but it's cold and the springs are terrible. Big Caterpillar in there. That's it. That's going to be the new addition to the fleet. It'll be the new Peterbilt and this truck. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we'll keep doing more stuff. Bought this truck mostly for the channel. So, see what we can do with this one.